If you are editing a video on CapCut and you want to add a second video on top of it, such as a face cam in picture-in-picture, then in this guide I'll show you how to do that by adding overlays on your Windows PC's CapCut app. So let's open CapCut and create a new project. Now just simply import the clips that you want to use. In our case, we want to use these two files. So we'll select them and press open. Now drag both of them into the timeline. Then select the footage that you want to use on top as an overlay, which in our case is the controller's footage. Then you need to move it above the other clip. After that, just click here and resize the overlay footage, then reposition it wherever you want. After that, crop or resize both of the footages as necessary and align them. Now let's watch the preview. And as you can see, it is very simple to add overlays on CapCut PC. When you're happy with it, just export it and you're done. And that's how you add overlays in the Windows CapCut app. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you want more.